Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. In today's video I'm reviewing and making another garland, and this kit was sent to me from Shimmer and Confetti. I love the garland that I have right now because it's already ready for you guys, and I cannot wait to share it with you. I love the colors that I have on the garland. It's very pastel and it's very springy and it's very summery, and it will fit into Easter like a glove. It will fit in into any other events and birthdays and baby showers and bridal showers, events that you have coming up. It will be beautiful. And before I let you go, you guys, I know a lot of people don't like how I say garland. Sorry, I don't know how to say it in any other way. That's how I say it. Either you like it, either you hate it. I can't do anything about it. All right, you guys, without any further ado, let's jump into this garland. Here is the package from Shimmer and Confetti. I am super excited to open this up. I haven't opened this, so you guys are literally opening this with me. Here I have 2 packages of balloons in pastel colors. Oh, I love pastel colors, especially for spring and summer. And they do have a pump for these balloons. Then they have this little book with a thank you and all the information right inside of it. And this little booklet with instructions to help you out with the garland. So super exciting. Let's move on, unpack this, and blow this garland up. So this set over here does sell with the balloon that's shaped as a unicorn. I did see that balloon on their website and it looked beautiful. You can pair these balloons with any other shaped balloons. For example, Shimmer and Confetti did send me and my daughter this beautiful balloon shaped as ice cream, and it says "Have a sweet day." My daughter had a party in the theme of ice cream, so it was so sweet of them to listen to us and work with us, and it was so sweet of them to send us different shaped balloons. You can go ahead and check their website out. They do have other varieties of balloons. So right here I do have a number as well, just because my daughter turned 5, so it was so sweet of them to think this whole package through for me. So thank you, Shimmer and Confetti. Go ahead and check their selection out. Let's blow this garland up and see how will it work. Each pack does have a different size balloon, so let's open first one. Here we go. Okay, they have this strip band that I need to use to construct my garland. That's good. Glue dots as well to fill in spaces. So here in this pack I have really small size of balloons, so I'm assuming it's mostly to fill in spaces. Then I have big size balloons right here, and here you go. This is our unicorn head. Oh, looks beautiful. Look at this. I cannot wait to try it out and actually pump this up. And they do have a star as well. Oh, there's one more star and 2 more stars in pink color. They have these strings right here and more. Oh, here we go. These are the clear balloons with confettis. I like that. It's gonna look so cute. And lots of pastel color balloons. Time to inflate. So I'm taking this pump that is provided in this kit and I'm starting to blow these balloons up. Okay, as soon as this one's or any of the balloons are blown up, I'm tying a knot. There we go. I'm going to finish with all of the balloons, and then I'll take my strip and we'll work on assembling our garland. Are all of the balloons that I blow up with my daughter. I love the color of these balloons. Pastels are super, super cute. To assemble my garland, I will be using this strip with holes. It was sent to me with all of the balloons, so I'm pretty excited to see if this strip will work. I'm pretty sure it will. To assemble all of these balloons, I want to go color by color. So starting with green, finish up with green and go to pink and then purple and then other color that I didn't name. So I am really excited to do this. I'm going to use all of the larger balloons and then leave the small ones to fill in spaces later. So let's dig in. You take your strip with holes and you put your balloons, your knots into that big first hole. Just like this all the way, so to make sure the knot is through, and then push it into your smaller opening like this to make sure it stays put and it's not going anywhere. First one's down, many more to go. Let's go. Instruction did say that it's better to leave one hole empty when you see that your balloons get really tight. So watch your balloon garland, how it forms. If you need to skip a hole, skip it. If not, then keep on working and working. Is my garland. It's looking really, really good. That strip worked really, really nicely. And let's mount this garland on my staircase and fill in spaces with these little guys right here. To attach my garland to my staircase, I am using my fishing line. You can also leave some clear balloon garland strip on each size of your balloon garland, and that way you can take your painter's tape and tape this garland to your wall. Painter's tape is very gentle, but still be careful with tape in general on your walls. So I'm starting, I think I'll start with yellow at the bottom, or no, green at the bottom, and then yellow is going to go all the way up. So I'm done hanging my garland. Now I'm taking smaller balloons and pairing them with exactly the same color. So green with green, pink with pink, and so on. I'm taking one balloon and the glue dots that came in with that pack with all of the balloons, putting one or two glue dots on my balloon and putting them on my garland. Done with my garland, so still I want to show you this unicorn balloon. So as the ice cream balloon and number 5, I'm going to blow it up with this pump that I received with the package. Let's go. It's beautiful. Look at this very pretty. So let's blow the stars up. Is one idea that you can do with this balloon garland. It looks really cute. I like the 5 number over there for her age, and have a sweet day. Looks really cute. Every single balloon, even these guys and these pretty guys over here, I did put them on a glue dot and I glue it to the main garland. Everything looks really cute. I like it. Let's see how this garland will look with the unicorn as a set. Here is what I have for you guys today. This is another way what you can do with this garland, putting that unicorn on and those stars. It looks really cute. I really like it. I love the quality of these balloons, not just because it was sent to me for free. No, because I truly and genuinely love the quality of this whole set. Super excited to share this video with you guys. I will leave everything you need to know and where you can purchase this in my description under this video. Alrighty guys, if you have any questions, please comment below and I'll be there to answer. I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my review on this gorgeous balloon garland from Shimmer and Confetti. As I said before, you can pair this balloon garland with anything you want, with any other balloons. Go ahead and check out Shimmer and Confetti website for more balloons, more variety, and I hope you will find anything or everything that you would need and have in mind for your event. I love this balloon garland. It was so easy to make it. It was so quick as well, and yeah, I would totally recommend this kit for you guys. I will list it if you're interested in the description down below. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. I hope this video was helpful, enjoyable, and it was fun to watch. If it was, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, you guys, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below for more videos. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you back in my next video. Bye!